Hello, this is Kasturi Chaudhary, the skill trainer. Well, the previous day, पिछले दिन हमने discuss किया about reading skill, how important it is to better our language. Yes, of course. I think by this time you have started reading simple books, children's books, or whatever pleases you, newspaper, anything. Now we come to the real test of language. Guess what it is? Yes, you're right. It's speaking. Right now, what I'm doing, it's speaking skill. Now, the more you speak, the better you become. That's the reality. But unfortunately, we are reluctant to speak. We get very scared. हम बहुत डर जाते हैं. There are many words on our head. बहुत शब्द रहते हैं दिमाग में, but the words do not come out of our mouth. हर बार हमें लगता है बोलने से पहले ये मिस्टेक तो नहीं होगा, अगर ये गड़बड़ हो गया तो. यही सोचते सोचते वो बात हम नहीं बोल पाते, वो निकलता ही नहीं. So first and foremost, don't be afraid. Don't think about accuracy, 100% accuracy. You can fix the words here and there, but at least you have to start. You speak. Eventually the words will come out properly. Everything will be framed properly. But unless we speak, nothing is going to happen. So don't stress on the accuracy, on the mistakes. Think about the positivity. Think about the idea which you want to put forth. Now, how about now? I have seen many friends asking me, many students, friends telling me that, ma'am, you tell us to speak, but if we are surrounded by native speakers, अगर हमारे आजू बाजू में, आस पास में, या फैमिली में, या दोस्तों में कोई भी ऐसे नहीं है जिनको इंग्लिश बोलना आता है, तो हम कैसे बात बढ़ाएं? Right? It's a point. In that case, you have to find out a common interest. People who have got common interests. दो तीन, एटलीस्ट दो तो आपको मिलेगी जिसका कॉमन इंटरेस्ट है. Friends who want to learn English, who want to speak English, or friends who are trying to appear for some exam. For that, they need to upgrade themselves. और वो लोग सोचते कि हम लोग एक साथ बात करें. जैसे हम जिम में जाते, एक साथ हम एक्सरसाइज करेंगे जोश लेके, एक साथ वॉक पे जाएंगे तो हमारा बॉडी हेल्थ ठीक हो जाएगा विद दैट फीलिंग. तो ऐसे दो तीन बंदा तो आपको मिलेगा ही ना, तो उन लोग के साथ आप टाई अप करो. ओके, डिसाइड दैट ऑल द 6 days ऑफ द वीक यू वुड स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. ओनली probably on Sunday, let it be on Sunday. Okay, Sunday you could speak in whichever language you are comfortable with, but the rest of the days you have to speak in English, no matter how bad it sounds, but still you will have to speak. बोलते बोलते इंसान को आता है बोलना. If that is not possible, then at least have a get together, plan it out. In a month, have 2 get-togethers where you would all be together and pick up a current topic, COVID-19 or health or career or anything, whatever current problem is going on, current issue, or not just current, it can be anything. It can be some sport, family, childhood, friends, the most memorable day in your life, or some funny topic like if you are invisible for a day, एक दिन आप गायब हो गए तो what would you do? आप कहाँ पहुँच जाओगे? Maybe one of your friend will say कि if I'm invisible for a day, I would go to the zoo. I will enter a zoo and touch all the animals, all the ferocious animals. उन लोगों को तो पता नहीं चलेगा I'm invisible. कोई और कुछ weird idea बोलेंगे और आप भी कुछ weird idea बोलोगे. At least you will try, you will have an opinion, you will talk on that, or you debate on certain topics. like nuclear family, joint family, or something else, reality show, or fake things going on. Have an opinion, give your opinion, try to frame the words. So then only you can proceed, and I'm sure you will better yourself by this. Now, sometimes even you don't get suitable friend, partner, or you cannot arrange any get together. Your situation doesn't permit. आपका सिचुएशन हालात वैसा है ही नहीं, तो आप क्या करोगे? कुछ तो आपको करना ही पड़ेगा. यू कैन पिक अप अ सॉफ्ट टॉय. घर पे तो कुछ सॉफ्ट टॉय, स्टफ टॉय, आपका कोई भी एक फेवरेट चीज़ तो होगा. यू जस्ट पिक इट अप और उसके साथ आप बातें करो. मोनो स्पीच या ऐसी कॉन्वर्सेशन. In fact, I had a friend who used to pick up her pet, talk to her pet or her toy, complaining. Whenever she felt lonely or she had a fight with somebody, she used to talk to that stuffed toy, complain about this, that. And this is a way of learning. But whatever you do, it should be in English. That's the idea. The idea is that. Now, if not anything else, everybody has a mirror at home. Sit in front of mirror and talk. Think about a situation and talk. You can see your face, you can see your facial expression, and you can keep on talking. Now next, when we talk about speaking, singing is also a very good tool for learning. Now singing, you have to know the lyrics. For any language, when we want to sing, we should know the lyrics. So Google out and find out the words, and why not sing your heart out? In that way, in fact, you enjoy, things are registered in your mind, and you can also pursue your hobby of singing. It has got all the beneficial traits. Let me talk about one or two frequent mistakes that we make while talking. I have noticed people often make the mistake between me and I. They say me and my friend are going to the market. That's wrong. Now, if we just omit "and my friend" and say "me going to the market," it's absolutely wrong. Even it sounds wrong. So understand, it cannot be me and my friend. Either it has to be my friend and I are going to the market, or it should be I'm going to the market with my friend. Similarly, when to use me when somebody gives us something. Like Sam gave me a gift. She gave this to me. Usually me comes at the end. It doesn't come in the beginning. We cannot begin a sentence with me, remember. And if you have to add your friend, then what should you say? Sam gave this gift to my friend and to me. Then the word to also comes in between, the preposition to. Okay. Now, we spoke about speaking skill. We spoke about singing, how important it is. How you will manage to speak even if you don't have any friend, any partner. Try to find out partner, common interest people. But if you don't get, then at least you can look at the mirror and talk, or you pick up a soft toy, talk to your soft toy or your pet or whatever. But you speak. That is the best part of it. Speak in English. Another tip I would say for speaking is recording your voice. How many of you have tried this? The interesting part is that when we talk, we focus on the accuracy, we focus on the message. But when we record it and hear it, we understand that there are a lot of loopholes. Probably we have not stopped, we have not given the pause. Maybe our pronunciation went wrong, or some accent, some grammatical mistakes when we are speaking fast, whatever. So recording your voice is very important. You can automatically correct your mistakes, and you don't need anybody else